welcome back to my kitchen. Today I've got a sweet little goodie. One of my sweet little subscribers and a friend, she emailed me this recipe at Rhonda's Country Kitchen at gmail.com, and she said, listen, I have got a cake that I have been making for many years, and she said, I'm going to share it with you. So she said nobody really knew this recipe. She's taken it to church socials and all over, and everybody always loved it. Now, I got to looking up, and she did say this was originally called an orange juice cake, but she just did a little different, and she does, we're going to be putting pineapple orange. She said it gives it just a little more flavor, and so I'm going to be throwing this together real quick, and it's going to be good. So we are going to start with yellow cake mix. Now she did say a yellow butter. Russell went shopping, y'all. I told him, I said a yellow butter, but this is going to be fine because I did look and other people had used this kind as well. So classic yellow, butter
y'all
yellow.
know us men.
Yeah.
We don't know how to follow instructions.
No.
And we get two of everything, so she's
I
lucky
was
she
just
didn't have
about
two
to
boxes
say,
of it.
normally
I didn't
he
get
gets two.
I didn't get but one. At least she didn't have two boxes of what she didn't need.
I don't know why men do that. Why do they do that? My boys did the same thing. I'd send them for something, they'd come back. Is it because y'all scared y'all gonna have to go back for something
Right.
else?
We don't want to have to go but once.
Lord.
We'll just make sure. That
Lord
way you
have
don't have to
mercy.
do it twice. Yeah.
Lord of mercy. And we over there trying to save money. Y'all there just two. All right. 1 box of Jell-O instant pudding, and this is the 3.4 ounce. She said just a small box. So we're going to just dump that right on in. I do have my oven preheated back there, 325, honey. She ready to go. She's all about it. She's ready. So I'm just going to dump this in here. Give that a little stir together. Now, I've got my Bundt pan. I've got it greased and floured, honey. Or you can just spray it with the Pam or the whatever, honey. Do you? She said to get about a half a cup to a cup of pecans and put them right there in the bottom of this Bundt pan.
That sounds like a good beginning.
Yes, and I will say this isn't a little variation too, because I looked up the orange juice cake and it did not have pecans. So we're just going to sprinkle those in just like this. We'll measure with our heart, honey.
I like it.
Not even with the measuring. But anyway, she said about half cup to a cup. I think that's good right there.
That's good.
Now what we gonna do, honey, we're gonna mix this cake and just pour it on top of them pecans. It's gonna be good. Now I've got 4 eggs. I busted one earlier.
Whoops.
Yeah, I had to give me another one. So we're gonna put the eggs in here. We're gonna put 1 cup of this orange pineapple juice. This is the only one I could find too. I think you looked too, didn't you, Russell?
I sure did.
I found mine in the food line.
I looked in the Walmart.
100% juice.
And it was not to be found.
It was not to be found.
They may have just been out, but
They could have been, but maybe it's more popular than we think. And a half a cup of vegetable oil. So, now she did not say she added vanilla to hers, but y'all already know. I'm going to add me some little vanilla extract, some of that good.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. We're going to put that in there.
And y'all, we got about another, what?
Oh, I'm going to do.
What we got? 6 weeks, 7 weeks?
Huh? Oh, yes.
We go back?
We're going back.
Yeah.
We're so excited. So excited. I cannot wait. All right, now we're just going to give this a little mix. I was going to drag my mixer out, but I was like, you know what? I think we'll be able to do this like so. We'll mess up extra stuff, right?
Nah, I believe you got it.
I think so. This is pretty simple. Smells good.
Yeah.
I smell that orange. I bet some orange to peel would be good in this.
It smells really good. I just got,
It does.
got the
Got
whiff.
you a little whiff of it.
Mm.
Oh, here you go, boo.
It's got a very, very good
All right.
fruity smell.
She said that orange pineapple, it hit different. So we're gonna try. Now, when this is cooking, listen, there's like a little glaze that goes over it, and it's nothing but, again, this juice, that sugar, and a stick of butter. And of course, I'll add some little vanilla.
Yeah.
All right, let's get this poured in. Y'all know I got to get everything out. Even though it's a Christmas one, it don't matter. It works just the same. All right, now we're going to just pour this in just like so. Round and round we go. I'm trying to do it that way. I need to just do as I do. Not worry about you.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Do your thing.
Sorry, baby. All right.
Cameraman's supposed to work around
Yes.
you. That's right.
All the way around me.
That's right.
All right, we're going to scrape.
I think that looks pretty good to me, y'all. What do y'all think?
We're going to scrape. Get all this goodness. I'm going to kind of level it out anyway, so it don't matter. Yeah, huh?
It looks like the makings of something good to me.
It does. It's looking like a nice little treat. Nice little treat. As we tell our dog, we're like, oh, what a treat.
She might come running. She hears them words.
Yes, she might. Maybe shouldn't say that. Alrighty. Now, I'm just going to pop it to get some of those little bubbles out. Some people do. My mom always did it, and so I tend to do it too. We're going to put this in the oven, 325 degrees. She said for about, I think she said an hour. I'll have to look. And but anyway, I'll be back, and we're gonna make that icing to go on top, that glaze, because you will pour it over when it's hot. So we'll do that soon. All right, y'all. We're gonna be making some of that good old glaze that's gonna go on top of it. And y'all, Russ is smoking. He's got his little saucepan sauce for his little pork steaks. Never mind all that.
Pay no attention.
Pay no attention. He's got good stuff going on outside, y'all. 1 stick of butter. And I've got 1 cup of sugar. Oh, Lord. Well, I had a cup of sugar. Bless it. And make a mess, y'all. And then 1 cup of this good old pineapple orange juice. And I'm going to put just a little vanilla. And we'll just let this come to a boil. And you're supposed to boil it for 2 minutes. Because, y'all, this is going to go right on that warm cake. I'm just eyeballing it.
Measure with your heart.
Measuring, honey. Yes, indeed. Just going to give this a little stir. Look at that.
It looks good. It looks like that's going to be something tasty.
It does, don't it?
It does. It has the makings of yummy.
Yes, it does. So we're just going to let this get up to a little boil. Boil it for 2 minutes, y'all. But this is a really, really simple glaze. All right, y'all. She's been boiling for about 2 minutes now. I guess this is what it's supposed to look like. And I'm just going to kind of set it to the side. My cake is almost done. So we're just going to turn the fire off. We'll set it to the side, and we're going to pour this over that warm cake. We're going to poke some little holes in it so it can just absorb and get all this goodness. And I'll let you know what the cake looks like in just a minute. All right, y'all. It's been 50 minutes. And I probably could have took it out at 45 minutes, but it's going to be all right. Everybody's oven cooks different. And we're going to just let this cool for just a minute, and then we're going to put the sauce on it. All right, y'all, it's go time. I got me a little wooden skewer, and I'm just going to poke little holes all around it. Boom, boom, boom. We want it to get all soaked up in there.
The goodness.
And it's clearly done. All this poking and doing on it. All right. Got my little glaze there, ready to go. All right, I'll stop.
I'm just having fun.
I was. That's therapeutic. I'm just going to pour it over just real easy there. And what you're supposed to do is just let it sit here for about 20-30 minutes and just soak up, honey, all that goodness right there. I know, right? Good. Look at that.
It looks like it's going to be. I can't wait to get into that. That's going to be
Yes.
hard to wait.
I know, right?
Yeah.
You can have your coffee ready.
The whole house is smelling yummy.
He gonna have his coffee ready
I'm
to
going
go.
to have it ready. I'm going to have a pot ready.
To go. So we gonna just leave it alone just right, just like so.
Look at that, y'all.
Goodness, look at there. Soaking it all up in there. And we will be back when it's ready. I'm gonna flip it onto a plate, hopefully, and go from there. All right, y'all. This old girl's been sitting for a little longer than 30 minutes. Russell went and gave his mom possum supper, and he's been gone about an hour or so.
Yeah, about an hour, a little over an hour.
We're going to just say a little prayer over this
She's a little nervous. It's going to come out. It'll come out. I have faith.
We about to see, ready or not.
Yeah, I have faith.
Listen, if not, we just...
I'm glad I was gone. I didn't have to smell it. Nah.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go.
Drum roll, y'all.
Lord,
live reality TV. This is what you are when you just go in the kitchen with people, you know.
You just don't know. Lord, it's not staying on like it's supposed to. All right, ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh, Bliss. Hold on. Oh, I felt it lift. Ready?
Drum roll.
Oh, my gosh.
Wow.
It is beautiful. I'm sliding away from. Look how pretty, y'all. Mercy.
Wow.
Dude.
Look at the pecans on top.
Oh, that pecans was a good thing.
Ooh, glazy.
Lord T. It don't need nothing. Look how moist it looks.
I can't wait to get into that.
Look at that, y'all. My goodness.
Excitement.
All
That's
right.
all I can say.
Yes. All righty, we're about to do it. Sugar pie, you ready?
I'm ready.
Taste
I'm
this?
more than ready. Woo!
Oh my goodness.
I can't tell you how good this smells, y'all. If it smells or any indication, this is going to be fantastic. And who was the lady?
Well, she said don't mention her name,
Okay.
but she's one of our sweet subscribers.
Thank you, whoever you
Yes,
are.
I know her name.
Thank you.
But yes, thank you.
Oh my Lord.
I tasted just a little crumb, y'all. I was like, oh my goodness. What do you taste first?
Let me just say, it's very light. But yeah, the pineapple.
Pineapple. I tasted pineapple first.
Pineapple and it's
orange,
and together, it's very different.
It's
very different. Very different.
That pineapple.
I think the glaze makes it.
Yes, and that glaze, y'all, soaked through. It is
goodness.
Moist, is it not? All the way through, it is moist.
Wow.
Good stuff. Good stuff. And I did, like I said, I like to look and see the history of what I'm making. And they said this was huge back up in the 70s.
I'm just going to y'all.
Fort Rock. Bloop.
See y'all.
Yeah. Come on back.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Yep.
Anyway, they said that it was you would find this cake in church cookbooks, which y'all know that's my favorite. I love church cookbooks. But it was real famous in the 70s, but it was called orange juice cake.
Well,
her little spin with the pineapple, yes, it is good.
Way up there.
It is way up there. It does. This would be perfect. Take anywhere with it.
Yeah, and any time of year because right now it's summertime and the fruitiness like really comes through. It's very light. The cake's like really not light, and moist.
Yeah, and they don't have like anything like dairy icing or Cool Whip or anything like that on it. So
I was kind of a little like, okay, is it going to glaze all the way on top? I was like, when you just poured it on there,
Right,
is it going to get like all the way through?
Honey, it's so
Oh,
good.
it's so good, y'all.
So
I'm
good.
telling you, it is like the taste is unbelievable. It
As
really
our granddaughter
is.
used to say, it's delicious.
Yeah, Mabry has that. She had that down. That's fantastic.
It is really.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, that's
You know
a
who
great
you are.
recipe. This is what we love right here. This
Yes.
is why we do what we do. This is a hit.
Yes, and we love getting your little recipes. I have several recipes lined up. I've had some very good ones come through that people have sent.
Yeah, we
and,
can't wait to
we're
do them.
excited
Yes,
to
we're
do it.
we excited about doing them,
Yes.
and we mean what we say when we love to send them to us. Y'all get in your family cookbooks and
Yeah.
get in your grandparents and mom and pops and go look them up. The stuff you thought that you remember having but can't quite remember, go see if you can find it. We would love to make it. We would love to know about it. This is like incredible. We will be sharing this. I can't wait for my parents to. We're going to share this cake tomorrow. So you bless and ma'am, sir,
Yes, ma'am.
whoever
It's a
you
ma'am.
are, you are
It's a
blessing
she.
my mom and father
That's
because
right.
they're going to enjoy this. I can tell you, and I'm going to enjoy the rest
We
of this. So
are.
yes,
He's
thank you
got
so
his
much.
coffee
Oh, I'm
made,
telling you,
honey.
this about to be on.
He's on it.
Yeah.
But yeah, y'all do feel free to send it to Rhonda's Country Kitchen at gmail.com. And anything you got. And I know I've talked to so many of y'all that have commented on the pinto bean pie. And, I've told you how I just love those old recipes because, so many times, like you said, recipes get lost. People die off and don't give them. Children get up, honey, them girls ain't won't get up and cook. They sit in the living room. So they ain't learning to pass these on. So these are the recipes that I love because, listen, they're too good to just let them go. Let them be lost and forgotten. So I hope y'all try this one.
Yes.
Good old 70s.
Absolutely.
Orange juice, orange pineapple cake. And thank y'all so much for watching and subscribing and hyping and
This is
doing
worth the
all
hype.
the things.
Yeah.
Doing all the things, honey. Yes, and y'all go check us out on Facebook.
Oh, I got an email earlier.
He scared
Thanks
me.
to y'all, our channel
Yeah.
for the month of July.
Mm-hmm.
For our number of subscribers was in the top 25% because of y'all. So
How
thank
about
you very
that?
much. Yeah,
How about
I'm going to
that?
share that later on social
That's
media,
awesome.
but because of y'all. So thank you so much.
I'm hearing it for the first time,
Yeah,
too.
I was going to surprise her. I wanted to get her reaction on camera. So yeah, because of y'all. Can't thank you
Yes,
enough.
we
We love you and
cannot.
appreciate every one of you that support us. And yeah.
Big hugs and love, honey, from our kitchen to yours. And until next time.